Tree pose. This pose actually helps you root down through the earth, really feeling stable in your feet, narrowing your core and building that core strength. It also opens the hips and helps you grow taller through your spine. So we'll start with the right leg, squeezing the right leg and the quadriceps up strongly, lifting up the kneecap. Bend your left knee and bring the foot up into the cradle where your hip and your torso meet, holding it from underneath and behind with your right hand. Bringing your left hand to heart center so you know where the midline is. If your foot does not slip down your thigh, you can bring your right hand to meet your left in prayer. Tall spine, drop your tailbone down and gently push back on your left knee so you're opening your left hip. Root through your foot and grow through your crown. So you feel the connection to the earth, but you also feel connected to the heavens. Use your breath to expand and contract, but still your gaze. And release. Releasing it the same way, letting the knee come forward and then the foot lower, stepping into both feet, standing in your mountain pose.